Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Hey, this is little breath of fire tutorial, okay? Kind of a little breath of fire, and then we'll do some practice as well. As you guys know that have been practicing with me for a long time, I love breath of fire. It's kind of the basis for breath work. Okay, so if we can master breath of fire, then there's really no place we can't go with breath work. With practice, of course, it's not all the same. It's not all easy. But like most things in life, the things that are a little challenging for us are the things that are worth it, right? So let's move forward with breath of fire. Now, if you know breath of fire, don't tune out because there's always something new to learn here. This isn't some long video. I'm not going to be getting into like the science. You can all read about that. Everything's accessible to us. This is just the practice of how to really get that breath of fire going. Now, there's different versions of it. If you've done, hot yoga classes or whatever, they do a different sort of version. They do it in and out of the mouth, okay? But we're not going to be doing it that way. We're going to be, and that's fine. That's whatever. But we're going to be doing our breath of fire in and out of the nose. As we do breath of fire, a couple things. Get comfortable, sit tall. You don't want to be squinched up because it makes it harder. You want to be sitting tall. So I've got a little yoga mat. I'm sitting on a rolled up yoga mat. I love sitting on blocks and meditation cushions as well, bolsters, whatever. But sit tall enough so your hips are above your knees and you can really extend through here, all right? Because this belly, this is important. This is where it all really comes from, this whole diaphragmatic breath here. So how we're going to do this, I want us to, don't do it yet, but I'm just going to demo first. We're going to close our eyes, and we're going to be really having our eyes closed. We're going to focus on this third eye point, inch above the brow line, center of the forehead. We're going to think about the navel point. When we think about the navel point, think about the space a little bit below the belly button. And think about this connection, right? Sixth chakra, third chakra, second chakra, first chakra, all the lower chakras here, boom. And then between we got the heart, we got the fifth chakra, all that good stuff, boom, all the way up. So we want to think about this connection, right? Boom and boom. And getting this whole area moving. Now, for some of you, this is going to be the hardest part, getting this area moving. With each exhale, our belly is going to come to the spine. Now, this is a powerful breath. This is a breath, I almost hate to use the word explosive because I don't want you guys blowing a gasket or anything, but it's a powerful breath, okay? You can't go back. It's a breath of fire. Think about like a lion. This is to fire us up, Agni Pran. It's to get us going, to fill us up with life and vitality and vigorousness. It's a great practice to do in the morning before or after your meditation. In the afternoon, when you're kind of at siesta time, you kind of like, man, I'm feeling a little sleepy. Maybe just had lunch, whatever. And maybe not do it right after lunch, obviously, because the belly's full. But later in the afternoon, when you're starting to feel a little sleepy, like, man, I need a little like 3 minutes breath of fire session or whatever else. So it really gets us energized, all right? And it helps, with keeping us healthy and strong and all that stuff. So each exhale, the belly is going to come toward the spine. It's going to look and sound like this, all right? I'm going to close my eyes. I'm thinking about this whole connection here, and it's all right, the belly's coming toward the spine. With each exhale, belly's coming toward the spine. I'm not even thinking about the inhale. I'm letting my belly just kind of fall out on the inhale. Naturally, the belly just kind of comes out a little bit on the inhale. Then exhale, belly comes toward the spine again. So it's just trying to relax my mouth, right? Relax my face, trying to relax where I can, but staying focused on the work that needs to be done here. So let's do this. Let's do 1 minute breath of fire. Then you're on your own. We'll do meditations with breath of fire from here on out, and I'll just assume that you've been practicing. So make sure you do this practice. Try it 1, 2, 3 minutes, and you'll start getting good at it. Be patient with yourself. Do not get frustrated. There's no time to get frustrated. Enjoy the process. If you suck at breath of fire, then enjoy the suckiness of breath of fire, and just keep practicing. You'll get it, okay? So each exhale, belly comes toward the spine. Here we go. come back to our normal breath. Now we'll do some other fancy stuff down the road at the end of that breath of fire, maybe doing some things where we hold the breath and do some other things with our hands and different mudras and everything else. But remember, that breath of fire is the emphasis on the exhale. Belly comes toward the spine on the exhale, not even worrying about the inhale. The inhale will take care of itself naturally, in and out of the nose. Focus on that third eye point and focus on this whole area down here. Get that movement going. Each exhale, boom, boom, and really go for it. Enjoy it. See how it makes you feel. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. You can get all my stuff, Billy.Yoga. Check out my app. Hopefully you got this from the app. And reach out to me anytime you need to, Billy at Billy.Yoga. Have a great day, everybody. Get fired up. Thank you so much for being here.